Hi friends, welcome to Amjad Concepts. Today I came up with very good techniques and the shortcuts from the topic is trigonometry. Here the question is x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal sin theta into cos theta and x sin theta equal to y cos theta. Then find x square plus y square. Given two conditions, here the one and second one this one, then find the x square plus y square. In this video I will explain just shortcuts and techniques, okay, and along with concept also. Now given x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, okay, it can be written as x, this y coming this side, by y is equal to cos theta by sin theta. X by y is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Here the x is cos theta and y is sin theta. Can you write like that? X is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. Okay, now then substitute in this x square plus y square cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, identity cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1, completed. X square plus y square is equal to 1. What about this statement? Okay, if you substitute those values in this, then you will get the same. Okay, let me check. X sin is nothing but y, x y cube plus y cos is nothing but sin, y x cube is equal to sin is y, cos is x, y into x. Okay, in these two we can take xy is the common. If you take xy common, then remaining is y square. If you take xy common, then remaining is x square is equal to yx. X cancel, y cancel. X square plus y square equal to x square plus y square is equal to what remaining here? 1. Is that clear? Okay. Next, sin theta plus cos theta equal to 17 by 13. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to 17 by 13, then what is the value of sin theta minus cos theta? Second one, if sin theta plus cos theta equal to 17 by 13, then what is the value of sin theta minus cos theta? How can you do that? Okay, here the general basic process is sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 17 by 13 whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square na sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 289 by 169. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 289 by 169. This is a very lengthy process. Then you will get sin theta into cos theta. Here we have sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta into cos theta 2. Then by those we have to find the sin theta minus cos theta whole square. By that you will get sin theta minus cos theta. After that solve with these two, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, no need. Directly he asked sin theta minus cos theta. This is a very lengthy process. But here I came up with a very good technique. Listen, we know that right angle, take right angle triangle. If you take theta here, this is the perpendicular base hypotenuse. Perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Okay, whatever. Now listen, sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, nothing but p by h. Cos theta is equal base by hypotenuse, b by h is equal to 17 by 13. Okay, totally we can write p plus b by h is equal to 17 by 13. What is hypotenuse here? 13. We got hypotenuse is 13. Up to that clear? Okay. As hypotenuse 13, what are the Pythagorean triplets are there? Okay, we know the Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, okay, 5, 12, 13 and so on. 7, 24, 25. Okay, these are the Pythagorean triplet. In this one is here the hypotenuse is, big one is 13. So take this one. Take this one. 12, here the 5. Okay, now again check that 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. Is that 17 or not? Yes, it says 17. So it's satisfied. Okay, here we got P12, base 5 and hypotenuse 13. Now the question is sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta P by H minus cos theta B by H. Totally we can write P minus B by H. What is P minus B? 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, that is 7 by 13. That's the answer. Is that clear? Okay, we can easily say, okay, no need of this, do this all. We know that P by H plus B by H, P plus B by H equals 17 by 13. That means here the hypotenuse is 13. If hypotenuse is 13, then another two numbers are base and perpendicular are 12 and 5. 12 plus 5, 17, it's satisfied. Then 12 minus 5, 7 by 13. Directly by oral we can say that. Okay, and here we have another shortcut also. Sin theta minus cos theta, we can write root over 2 minus x square. Root over 2 minus x square. 2 minus x is 17 by 13. Okay, by that also we'll get the same answer. Listen, another shortcut. 2 minus x square, 289 by 169. Okay, root over 169 into 2 and 18, 32, 33. 338 minus 289. Okay, 338 minus 289, that is 49 by 169 root over. Root 49 is 7, root 169 is 13. We got the same. But here we need to remember this shortcut. So no need of any formula. Without formula we can do this method. We can do by this method. Very easy process. Okay, keep practice. Next, another problem. If we given 1 by 1 plus cot square theta take another one. 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power of 4 plus 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 of sin to the power of 6 theta plus cos to the power of 6 theta. This is the question. Find the value of this one. And another one, 1 by 1 plus cot square theta plus 3 by 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Find the value of given trigonometry values. Listen, in this case, how to solve? Just apply the theta value. Just apply the theta value. Listen, here one condition. For sin and cot, apply the theta value. For sin and cot, 0 or 90 degrees. 0 degrees or 90 degrees. For sin and cot, cos. For sin and cos trigonometric ratios, apply the theta value 0 or 90 degrees. For tan and cot, apply theta value 45 degree. For tan and cot, apply 45 degree. And for cosecant and secant, apply 30 or 60 degrees based on given problem. Okay, listen. For sin and cos, apply 0 or 90 degrees. For tan and cot, 45 degree, and cosecant sec 30 or 60 degree based on given problem. Here I apply theta equal to 0. Then what happened? Listen, 3 of Sin 0 0 minus cos 0 is 1 power 4 plus 6 of 0 plus 1 power 2 plus 4 of 0 plus 1. Is that clear? Now 0 minus 1 power 4 is 1. 3 into 1 3. 1 square is 1. 6 into 1 6 plus 4 into 1 4. Totally we got 13. Within one step we can solve this problem. Okay, just apply theta value is 0. Okay, that's why I given for sine and cos apply theta equal to 0 or 90. If you apply 90 you will get the same answer. Sin 90 1 minus 0, cos 90 is 0. 1 minus 0 1 power 4. Okay, 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. Okay, then 3 plus 6 9 plus 4 13. Okay, here given in cot terms, cot or tan terms, then 1 by 1 plus tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1. Okay, here go more terms given in tan and cot. That's why here for sine also applies same. Sin 45, that is 1 by root 2, and here we have square, so whole square, 1 by root 2 square. Then totally we can write 1 by 2, here 3 by 2 plus 2 by root square cancel 2 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 2, like terms, so that is 2. Then we can directly add numerators. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3 is the answer. 6 by 2 nothing but 3 is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Next, if we given tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. If we given like this, if tan theta is equal 4 by 5, then find the value of 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. This is the problem given. Listen, here generally in basic method we can do, we draw the right angle triangle, by that we can find the sin theta and cos theta and apply in that. Okay, no need of these all, just tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, that is 4 by 5. What is the sin value here? 4. Cos value 5. Apply directly. Then 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 4 minus 2 into 5. 3 4s are 12 plus 10. 22 by 12 minus 10. That is 2. 22 by 2 is nothing but 11. That's complete. Is that okay? Tan theta nothing but sin by cos. Here sin value is 4, cos value is 5. Apply direct. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your students and share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you one and all.